If you are an absolute noob to laser engraving, this might be the laser for you. It takes less than 20 minutes from opening up the box to getting your first engraving started. Now I will show you the setup instructions in this video, the free program that you'll need to download to run this, and get you started on your first engraving. Okay, we are very close to starting our first engraving. The assembly took about 15 minutes, and they do send instructions in the box, but it's not that great. So I would just follow through the video and pause when you need to. The one thing I would say is to make sure that you put this little stop on the right side of the engraving. The next step is to download the free program to your computer, which goes with the laser engraver. Now, to connect your computer to the engraver, I just use an HDMI cable. That's easier than the little chip that they give you, which I've literally already lost. So just HDMI cable, connect to your computer, and let's download the software. Okay, make sure you go to craftseek.com. That is the free program made for this, and then choose which PC you have and start downloading it. It is a bit of a process, but what you're seeing here is live, so it literally takes like 15 seconds, but just agree to the terms, hit next, it will start installing, and then it will finish. Open it up on your desktop, hit new project, and select which engraver you have. This is the Creality Falcon 2, and then it's going to do like an initial test, and it'll ask you to put the material down. They send 2mm basswood with the kit, 2 sheets, so you can use one of those sheets for this test. And don't forget, wear your safety glasses while operating the laser. Thanks for that message, Hunter. Once it's done, select your material. Again, what they sent is 2mm basswood, and then they have images already loaded, but I just grabbed an image off my desktop, dragged it in, and then the part where you're going to figure out how to size it is really quite easy. You just hit frame, and then it'll show you where it's going to start engraving. If it doesn't match, simply move your wood around or make the image smaller or larger inside the program, and hit process and start, and it'll get going. And there you have your very first print. Now, this one obviously did not turn out to that great, but that's on me. The image I uploaded to the program was like grayscale, so that didn't turn out great. But I ran another one after that, and that worked a lot better. So you can obviously go into the program itself and adjust the power and the speed to get the engraving that you'd like. And just another note, this one took me about 45 minutes to engrave. Now, I will leave a link in the description for the Creality 10-watt CR Laser Falcon. And this is great for kind of small projects, hobby type stuff. But if you are using this, or you're thinking about using this for more business type means, then you may want to look at some of the other options that Creality has. This is probably not the best for a small business, only because of the time that it takes to engrave objects. Now, for the price point that it's at, for just doing some fun stuff for around the house, for your friends, this is a great option. And that's a wrap. Thank you all for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you next time.
Hey guys! Today my father did this cool thing. You don't touch it, don't touch it. I touched it. Okay, so it's a laser thing.
It's a cool laser.
She read it. Okay? She's not an expert. She read it.
You're very close to our first engraving.
Oh, don't touch it.
My dad did this engraving.
Yeah, cool.
See, it has a
Like,
deer. It has a deer and a skull in a box.
Okay, we're back. Look, there's some.